Thank you for joining me for this STX Cloud year-end procedures training. We will be reviewing 4 areas of inventory that we recommend completing on the last business day of the year or prior to the start of business in a new year. Before starting this process, make sure you close any open tickets prior to the end of business on the last day of the year. You'll need to do this to make sure all of your sales for the year are captured. We're going to start in the inventory area prior to going to reports so that we can make sure that all of your inventory on hand is accounted for. From your home screen, you'll go to Inventory Management. You can also get to your inventory management by going to the inventory icon on the far right side of your STX Cloud screen and clicking Inventory. From the Inventory Physical Checklist, you can segment your product lines, suppliers, type of professional or retail, or you can do your entire inventory at one time. If you decide to segment it to make it easier, make sure you still do all areas. Click the Generate button and the system will bring up your on-hand amounts for each of the different product lines that you carry. There will be a count box to the left. You only have to enter a number into the count box if it is different than the number in the on-hand column, which is what the system believes you have on your shelves or in stock. From this point, you can simply take a tablet or an iPad or other device and go through and count your inventory and update any amounts that are different. After updating the report to account for all of your inventory, simply click the Save button. Once you've clicked the Save button, the system will create an inventory adjustment report, which we will review in a few minutes. We're now going to look at your Manage Inventory. Many owners find the year end is a good time to clean up and correct inventory data. The Manage Inventory report not only allows for adjustment of on-hand quantity, but also minimum quantities, standard cost, price, SKU, and size. Simply click the Inventory Management button. Use the View options to segment any parts of your report, or simply click Search to review all of your products. If you'd like to update any areas, such as your standard cost or price, simply click in the box and update the price or standard cost. You can also adjust minimum quantities and supplier minimums here. You can adjust the SKU. The only areas that cannot be adjusted from this report are the unit of measure, such as ounce or milliliters, and the active checkbox. These areas need to be changed in the setup of your inventory, in the setup inventory area of your program. Everything else will be updated once you click Save. Now that we've updated the different areas of our inventory and made sure that our physical counts are correct, we will go in to print our inventory reports. So we'll go in under Reports and we'll go to the Inventory and Gifts Reports, and now we'll go to our Adjustment Report. As you can see, if you've saved any changes or made any adjustments, you'll see today's date. You can click View to view the report. Once you view the report, then you'll be able to print this for your tax purposes in the future. Next, we're going to review the on-hand quantity report. This report is the most important for year end because for an accurate inventory value, you need to print this on the last business day of the year. This report is only as good as the day it is printed, and it gives you the total value of all products currently in stock for that day. You'll go to Reports, You'll click the Inventory and Gifts reports, and you'll go to your on-hand product report. You can select a product line or a type, or again, simply hit Generate to review all products. In reviewing the report, you'll see that it shows a quantity on hand, as well as the average cost of the product and the on-hand cost. You can see the total for each inventory group is designated by the 2 asterisks, and that will give you that particular product group's total. Scrolling down, you'll see the total value of all products currently in stock. These are the 4 areas that will need to be handled on the last business day of the year or prior to business the first day of the new year. There are some additional reports and areas that you can review prior to doing quarterly or annual taxes, such as the tax summary, gift list, packages, account balance, employee tips, inventory usage, promotion, and price adjustment areas of the system. As always, please feel free to reach out to us at support@stxsoftware.com for additional information or assistance.